Quito, are you enjoying the sunshine? Look here. Here you go. There's some toy for you. Now you can play with the ball. There you go. Little ball for you to play with. It's got a bell in it. It's yellow and pink with a bell in. See? A spherical object. There, you're getting some sunshine for your tetrachromatic eyes. Yeah, we want your eyes to develop naturally and healthy. That's why you're getting some natural sunlight here, yeah? Yeah. Woo! Okay. You can play with that if you want. So what are you thinking today, Blanquito?
Are you enjoying the sun? Hi, my love. Where you go, Pepito? Play with it. Wait. Hey, look. Ball.
Oh. Okay, the poop removal crew is here.
Oh,
I
can
getting
do that.
it? There you go.
Uy, sticker. Uy, my puppy. Uy, my love.
Okay.
Poopies, poopies.
He passes to Paquito. Oh, there's ball to Paquito. No. Oh, try again. Here you go. I'm gonna kick it. There. No. You're still so very young. All these new things in the world to check out. If a magpie or raven comes swooping at you, this screen will protect you.
Play, puppy. Play with your toys. Come on, Blanquito. Look. Look at this bicycle. Look. Look, Pepito.
Is Blanquito thinking, I just want to chill in the sun and daydream and just laze around, chilling?
Enjoy the sun. Sunny day today for my little love.
Paquito. Handsome, intelligent Paquito. You're a good boy? You're a good boy. Okay. Sometimes you chirp a lot and sometimes you're quiet for many minutes. People are like that too, right? Alright. Over and out for now.